got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Coleman's. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Again, Coleman's. So let's get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Easy. Alright, not sure if there's a manifest or not. I think I do see something here. Let's see. Alright, itemized. And we got a catalog. Alright. Coleman's military surplus. So there you go. This appears to be their fall-winter 2021 to 2022 catalog. But it does look like there has been some other prior offers that have expired, and it still has the tape seal dots on them. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that later on. Alright, let's get back to it. First item, sealed in a bag. Okay. Let's see how we can figure out how to get this open here. Got it. If I can get this last part off. Okay. We got the tape part off. And this might actually be heat sealed on. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. We have scissors. Big N-O. So, plan B. Just want to at least get this article out. Ah, well, that worked. Very nice. So what we have here is a Hungarian military paratroopers jacket, extra large. Let's see, a 52 up here. It does appear to be new. Let's see, we have metal zipper pulls, plasticized zipper, two-tone. Was that just a trick of the light? Might be a trick of the light. Very nice color though. Transparent aqua green on the teeth there. Okay, I'm going to be very careful here. These are actually buttons. A variety here. Interesting. So what we have here is a metal button at the top and plastic buttons running the remainder down the length. Shoulder epaulettes with metal buttons on both sides. Shirt style collar with buttons underneath with a neck closure loop. You can see that there, secured by a button as well. Two upper zipper pockets, two slash pockets near the waist. Yep. Elasticized waist hem. You can see the liners for the inner pockets, inner liners for the pockets. Does appear to be a different lining to these pockets on the inside. If you notice this one here, very interesting shape there, as opposed to the square one. So this appears to be a holster pocket. You can see it's a lot stronger material selected for that. Reinforcement underneath those epaulet buttons. I think I just missed that. There it is, right there. Let's see if there's one on the opposite side. Yes, there is. Here's a hang loop to hang up on. And there appears to be buttonholes for attaching a liner as well. So let's look at the cuffs real quick. Looks like loop outer closures on there. 2 buttons for a little bit of tightness. Not sure if you can reverse button these as well. A little tighter. If we look on the back, got a seam running right down the middle. No vents, and more seams down the side panels to assemble it. So again, Hungarian military paratroopers jacket. Next up, I'll just grab this right here. Looks like to be a USGI money belt. So we can see a Froelich Company Incorporated label. Spot for your name and information on there. Strap, cut end, not sewn. Leather layer here, very thin but very soft, very nice. An aged plastic buckle loop there. Here's a flap. And internally we have one large middle pocket, 2 side smaller pockets, and then kind of the attachment ends there. So USGI money belt. It's supposed to be World War II time frame. Next up, partially in the bag, it might have been inspected. Sturm made in Sweden, a 190 by 75 it appears to be it according to the bag. This is a Swedish M90 Splinter Camo field jacket. Heavy material. I got the cuff in hand, so let's start with that. Snap closures for size. Modifications there. Plain shoulders, shirt collar, snap closures down the length. Let me get those. Ooh. Careful. Okay. Zipper wise, we got pulls at both ends. Large with a cloth draw loop. Here's the other one at the bottom, so if you want to actually access this way, let's kind of get these apart right now. You can see the end loops. Let's see if we can pull this down over them and out. Okay. Here's our label. Let's take a quick look at that. Hang loop right there. Nothing closure wise on the collar. Vertical zipper this side for a pocket. Same here. Here we have a loop. Attachment across the front. Pocket goes about this deep. Likewise on this one. Drawstrings on both. Slash pockets towards the waist. Zippered drawstring. About so deep. I'll show the interior in a second. Likewise on this side, although, yeah, the angle's about the same. About a 45-degree angle. Drawstring at the waistline, both sides, with cord locks of some sort. If you notice this style of cord lock. There appears to be one internal pocket right there. A snap. About so deep right to here. And doesn't appear to be any other pockets. Does appear to be some sort of reinforcement down at the lower back, which is for another pocket. So let's go ahead and turn this over then. Swedish flag on this shoulder. Does not appear to be anything on this one. Does not appear to be any hook and latch or Velcro attachments anywhere. It's an outer jacket. Seam right down the middle, and here's that reinforced area across the back. Here's your hook and latch though, for a large kind of map pocket at the lower back. So, Swedish M90 Splinter Camo field jacket. And we're still going. We have a Swiss military garment bag. It feels rubberized already. Got some metal loops there, leather handle. Let's see what else we got going on here. Alright, so this looks to be multiple attachment points. Okay, place that here and here. So depending on the size of your garments and whether or not you need to expand it, I think you can probably actually make this more to attaché sized, like so. Or if you have something longer you want to carry and not crease, like trousers or even a jacket possibly, if you carefully fold it in there, you can again carry it the lengthwise method. So this is an expandable garment bag, large plasticized zippers across the top, two of them that meet in the middle. Trying to get this around the curve here gently. Okay, so this used to be some sort of vinyl or rubberized material, more like vinyl, pretty thick. Internally, let's go ahead and get this back open. I can see this is the reinforced area for this identification plate area, and there are no internal pockets. I can feel the reinforcements. You can see some of those there in view for the internal points. So again, Swiss military garment bag. Okay, getting to the last couple of items here. Put a lot in this little box. Tell you what, this is a vintage Czech military thermal jacket large. So you can see the thermal material. Here's we got the cuffs right off, the kind of brown elasticized material. Quilted jacket, buttoned closure up the middle. And come on. Does not appear to be any buttons to, possibly you might be able to use these to reverse attach to a parka or outer jacket, perhaps. I'm going to try that with a Czech rain parka. No apparent markings that I can see. I'm trying not to rush it here, but keep things moving. Here's something down here. Looks to be handwritten though, and it's a paper sticker. So I don't think that is the official label. And nothing on the back, really. Quilted material, as you can see. No pockets. So again, Czech Vintage Czech military thermal jacket large. Now our last item, get this box out of the way here. We have German military wet weather pants liner. This would be an extra large size. So hopefully be able to cram these inside of some large outer pants in the wintertime if need be. Here's our cuffs for the pant legs. Zipper that goes probably up to knee, over the knee, to help with donning these and taking them off. You see kind of a rear attachment point area here for suspender loops possibly. Drawstrings with cord locks. Also kind of a loop snap-on area here across the front. So you can attach suspenders in the back crosswise and then up to the fronts here. Another snap closure across the middle and a zipper down the front fly area. Looks to be pass-through area with the hands via zippers on both sides, and no pockets in the rear, just reinforced stitching. Seam down the middle, and that's about it. So let's summarize here, working way backwards. Excuse me. We got German military wet weather pants liner extra large. We got a vintage Czech military thermal jacket large. We got a Swiss military garment bag. We got a Swedish M90 Splinter Camo field jacket. And somewhere under here we got the USGI money belt, World War II time frame, and a Hungarian military paratrooper jacket, extra large. These all came from Coleman's military surplus. They did include a catalog. Feel free to check them out. Got a large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.